The 2018 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, navigation system, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.